I'm sharing this words of wisdom for the day. So, ito yung narinig ko lang kanina. Alignment is equals to acceleration. Narinig ko yan kay Dan Martel. Isa rin siya sa YouTube mentor na pinapanood ko, si Dan Martel. So, which is really good things. I just realized, ginagawa ko na siya. And ramdam na ramdam ko talaga yung power nun, yung definition. Kahit hindi ko nabasa hindi ko napanood ng whole video, narinig ko lang yung sinabi niyang yon. It really makes sense, ano? Why need? Favorite ko kasi yung alignment sa team meetings. And laging ganun ako kasi I think I can just say that's my strength, ano? Yung cohesiveness ng team, how I can level them up, personal man o business. So actually sa business, we started the daily stand-up meeting every morning, and from my confirmation din sa brother ko at sa aking tendera, ang laking bagay niya dahil ang daming nangyayari dun sa simple meeting na yun na dapat 15 minutes lang, kasi you do what is ano yung ginawa mo kahapon, tapos ano yung gagawin mo ngayon. Tapos kapag merong misalignment doon, kasi parang more on ako yung nag-lead, nag-guide nung gagawin, nagiging very clear yung deliverables ng team dahil marami kasing gagawin ang mga tao, kaya lang hindi nila minsan alam yung priorities. So, ang maganda doon, laging may alignment. And I have a feeling that will really leads to acceleration. Pabilis ng pabilis kasi you're hitting a common goal, very clear yung goal. Pag alam ng tao ito yung goal, pero minsan, even alam nila yung goal, hindi nila alam how to do it. And minsan, hindi naman strength ng tao yun. Minsan, ang strength nila execution lang. Minsan, ang strength ng ibang tao is really just do it. Pero kapag binigyan sila ng maraming task, hindi na nila alam yung gagawin nila. So, good thing, kapag nag-a-align kayo ng mga leaders, even your team members, ito muna ang priority this week. Today, maganda matapos to kasi kailangan natin sa ganito, kasi ganito. So, yun yan. Very, very helpful. So, alignment is equals acceleration. That's the word of wisdom for today. Thank you.